G'day. We're going to do the wheel hoist. You probably watched the video the other day, so she's all fitted up now. Looks really good. I'm happy with it. Like anything, we always make sure that everything works. So what we're going to do is we're just going to pull a wheel off, pull it around. I'll show you how to do that. Now the features to this is, this hoist is capable of lifting 4 times the weight that it actually does, so it does it quite easily. When you're out there and you're in the scrub or desert, wherever you are, just got to work safe. You're a long way from home, drop one of these on you and you're in a world of hurt and you're on your own. So that's why I always like to use things, proper lifting straps, proper shackles, and I'll show you here, even to the point where I'll use a snap hook so I cannot drop this thing. This is rated at 1.3 ton. This is a 70 kilo tyre, so I'm way over it. Anyway, let's get cracking. So it's quite simple. We just release some pins, lift it up, pop the pins back in. I use stainless pins. Had to make my own pins. There you go, 2 304 stainless pins. We didn't use 316, a bit hard for drilling. We've got a safety pin which can be released here, allows you to move the hoist left or right. We've also got safety locks on both sides, so we can lock this out if need be onto that side. It sits up on its retainer. Basically just come around, get your trusty 19mm ratchet spanner. We just went and bought one from local supplier. And then we winch them down. Now you could fit an electric motor to this, but this is about $100. Put an electric motor on it, set it all up, probably cost you between $600 and $800. The amount of times you're going to do a tyre should be fairly minimal, but that's snap him on. And the reason we pull from this side of the wheel is I want it to naturally pull off the actual studs. The studs are smaller than the actual holes in the rim, so I get it to there. I bought myself a breaker bar with a 27mm socket. Just release them. You should always have your trusty little gun with you. The nuts are the same size as your wheel nuts, so your factory Iveco tool set will get these out. Now this carrier is just not for Ivecos either. We've actually sold them to Isuzu owners, Canter owners, and we can scale it up for Unimogs or whatever. The basic principles are exactly the same. We just have a bent plate for what we have in our departure angle. So now we've got the wheel loose, I can just pull it out. Probably come up a little bit. Gonna hook up on me, out she comes. So now you've got a wheel suspended at 70 kilos, quite safe. As you can see, I wanted it to kick out, and all I had to do is get in behind, because I don't want to be in front of it when it comes out. If you've mishooked it or done something silly, just throw it, just get rid of it. It's too much to handle, and they'll bounce around and just get out of its way. So as you can see, she's quite easily moved around. We've actually got some bushes that we manufactured for here to give us that flexibility of being able to move. Then just hand winch it down. Take it all the way down to the ground. You could set yourself up a ratchet here and use a gun or something, but I just like to use the spanner. Same thing, back the other way. You just put it back on the reverse way you took it off. Make sure you do up your nuts nice and tight. I'll double lock nut these before this goes. We got some bags that are being made next week. and then this customer's out of here. Have a nice weekend. I'll catch you later.